Hi everyone, welcome to the help videos for MMP360.com. Today we'll be walking through the first step of adding an animal feeding operation into MMP360, which is general details and contact information about your feeding operation. The first thing we're going to do is locate our feeding operation on the map. We've implemented some tools to help you faster find your feeding operation. The first is being able to zoom to the county that your feeding operation is located in. And also we've added an AFO layer that displays every AFO in its location in the state of Iowa, so you can easily zoom to the map to where your AFO is located. So we're now going to zoom in to our animal feeding operation. And to zoom, you can either double click on the map or use the plus or minus buttons on the left to zoom in and out. So we're just zooming in to our feeding operation. There it is. There we go. And so now we're going to draw on the map the outline of our feeding operation. And as you can see, as we're drawing, the area that the shape occupies is displayed to your right. This comes in really handy when we're drawing in fields for your feeding operation later on. And so to save the shape, you click on the first point that you started drawing from. So we're saved. If you need to edit the shape, you can come over to the Edit button and you can pull the outline of the shape to modify it to fit whatever you need. And then you save that modification. You can also delete the shape by clicking on it and then clicking Save. For now, though, we want to keep the shape we just drew. So now that we've entered in our shape, we can enter in some of the feeding operation information. Another time-saving feature we've added is the ability to search for this information via your facility ID. So if you know your facility ID, you can enter it here, and that information associated with it will auto-populate the feeding operation information and the owner parts of the owner information. For now, we're just going to enter in a test operation for this tutorial. Our facility ID is 55555. Our street address is 123 Anywhere Street in Anywhere, Iowa. And our zip code is 555555. Our owner information is test operation owner. They live just down the road at 234 Anywhere Street, Anywhere, Iowa. Phone number and their email. So this is all the required information needed, but there's some additional information that can be entered if it applies to the feeding operation, such as contact information. So if the contact person is different than the owner, and the contract company if you contract out parts of your animal feeding operation. So that's it for step one of adding an animal feeding operation into MMP360. In the next step, we're going to add more information about our animal production phases and site information. If at any time during the process you have questions, please click on the chat window to chat with an AgSolver representative. Thanks for watching this video.